Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Charm. It's been a while since I said that. It's my Vlogmas entry for this year. Wala naman na kayong choice kasi it's December 27 and as of filming and I'm planning to upload this today if hindi kaya ng 27, 28. So wala na kayong choice. Harap na naman ako sa laptop, bakla. Hulaan mo kung mag-research ako. But who knows? Hi guys! Naka-secure po ako. Hi guys!
Ayun nga, gagawa nga yung project.
Paano mo patutulogin si Dana doon? Wow! Gusto mo to? Kumain ng yogurt. Pero refreshing siya.
May apple taste ng puta.
Hindi masarap yung condensed na gamit nila.
Man, one more. One close. Nice. One more. Last inside there. Oh my god, you're so good.
Nakahalon dahil sa akin.
Thank you for following us, GF.
Do I still even know how to will? It's been a while. Look into your eyes, I see it.
Same.
30 seconds.
Uy, kapay ko na-rush kasi na-rush, hindi naman siya sa jet.
Remaining. One day.
As someone na sobrang excited, wala po kayong pake. So, let's do what's in my concert bag for 17 concert. November pa lang. As of filming, it's November 25. Ang concert, March pa. Marami pa akong kulang sa aking bag, pero so far, ito talaga yung dadalhin ko, like, pinaka-important. It's November pa lang, pero I've already bought a bag for it. Like, girl, ano na naman yan? So, ayun, I bought this on TikTok shop. Hindi ko alam kung anong size daw, kung medium or small, pero feel ko medium siya kasi kasya yung tablet ko. Let's start. So, here's the bag. It's in the color coffee. And here I have Myungho, of course. Let's proceed what's in my bag. Of course, my light stick. It's the version 3. I have my mini fan because March nun sis, sobrang init. Okay, next is my wipes. I can't go out without this. Next is my alcohol, pero I'll switch sa spray. This is my inhaler because I can go out without this. Card holder na nandito yung cash ko. So, my hair clamp because mainit. My passport. Dito ko na rin nilalagay yung ticket ko. Pero hindi ko pa po nakiklaim yung ticket ko. Pero I have my ticket, okay? Kasi nakasecure ako. Tsaka ito rin yung papakita ko kasi na ID for Karat Zone if ever meron. And I'm praying meron. And sana ang mapul ko ay si Minghao. Kasi last time, ang napul ko ay si Jonghan. So, inuuwian ako ni Jonghan. Yes! This is my phone. I'm pretty sure that day, tatlong phone yung dala ko, which is that one, and then this one. Kasi this one, I'm gonna use this for like data. Like, nandito yung SIM card ko and all. And then that, I'll use that for my POV, my vlog, YouTube vlog. I'll focus ng YouTube vlog dyan sa phone na yan. And I'll try my concert experience na rin. Kasi, nag-rent po ako ng phone for 17 concert. I have my earphone. Pero probably mag-earbuds ako. I don't know. Or I'll bring both. Kasi susuot ko siya on the way. Last but not the least is this pouch. Kasama siya ng bag nung binili ko. So, I'm so happy. So, with this pouch, I have my makeup na pang retouch. I have blotting paper, my blush on, powder, may kilay, pangkilay kasi as walang kilay na girly. My brush for my powder. My lip product. Wala pa ako ng salon pass. Wala pa akong Strepsils. And I believe yun na lang yung kulang sa aking bag. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong power bank yung dadalhin ko. Pero sa nirent kong phone kasi meron siyang sariling power bank. So I'll probably bring power bank for my phone. That's what's in my bag. And probably I'll bring paper bag for freebies. Hindi ko alam kung magbibigay ako ng freebies, pero tatanggap ako ng freebies. Yes. So, it's in my concert bag, and I'm so excited for it.
こんな時はすぐにワードローブ散らかしくたびれたシャツを選んで外へ出て行こう少し背中丸め踊るように歩こう Girl, if I can play the guitar, no
Sa H&M ako, and I'm fitted pants. I didn't like it though.
곡을 수천 개는 더 아마도 앨범을 한 6장은 내지 않았을까 네가 내 가사가 돼
I ordered fun planet. They ordered carrots. Ang cute ng flutes. We're at the bar.
미안하지만 얼굴은 닮을 생각 없어 주황색 머리도 맘에 안 들어 내가 원하는 건 그 녀석의 목소리와 쟤는 기타는 만져본 적조차 없어
Alam mo ba nakipag-date ako kahapon?
Oh,
Parang tanong ko.
sino kasama mo?
Hindi ko muna sasabihin, malakas bara mo eh.
Gago.
Tapos,
Sino nga?
ayun, okay lang.
Oh. Kumusta?
Okay lang. Okay lang. I'm unpacking my things kasi ang dami kong uwi. Gusto to ng kapatid ko, so buldak. Tulong ako sa kapatid ko magbalot ng regalo. So, yung regalo niya. Regalo ko sa kanya, wallet. Sana magustuhan niya. Kasi kung hindi, sasapakin ko siya. Tapos ito Pokemon na hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ito regalo ko kay Sam. The letters from someone. So wallet and building blocks.
Taka, walang edit sa in your life.
Oh, yun lang. But I don't want this to look like, sarcastic, no?
Super dalas ko mag-upload to the point
8:40 na. Tapos sa Manila kahit 11 naglalakad ako, ganon. Tag-isa. Sa lamig. Tang hindi ka mamamatay dyan, trust me. Hi guys. Wala kasi ako sa page. Parang wala. Paano to? Tatap mo, hindi na nadarama. Sabi ko, hindi kita mamimiss. Hinene. In from above. Pinag-iisipan ko kung ito or marker. For my way back from the day.
mo na nga yung pantalon ko. Ano?
Kay Ryan guys. Hindi niya alam.
Ng ito'y nawala nung
Iniwan mo ko. Dapat ganun.
at patak. Anong sarap?
To Ryan from ate niyang maganda.
Talagang mas gusto ko?
O, di ba na siya mangal? Kasi totoo.
Nahihirapan bawat patak. Anong sarap? Ano ba talagang mas gusto ko?
Titsaan Kuya Ryan.
Teacher, Kuya Ryan.
Ang sarap
Kanino
to.
ba rin kay Pia? Kunwari ko mo to alam ha. Turete.
Guys, ito yung regalo ko kay Ryan. Regalo ni Ryan sa akin. I mean, ako, siya yung nagbalot naman. Ako nagsulat. Tapos siya yung Kasi nakita ko na rin naman. Regalo ko kay Ryan. Tapos ito, regalo ko kay Sam, kay Pia, kay Caitlyn. Hindi ko pa nababanat yung kay Divine doon. Yung gift ko for Divine. First is this mini bag. Kasi hindi mawawala ang aking letters, handwritten letters. And dalawa siya. It's one for like holidays and one for our 10th year friendship anniversary. Here, holiday note lang din. Like, from Detail and from KKV. So, like, sana lang shade match niya. Feel ko naman shade match niya to. Hindi, nabili na namin sa Pandayan. Yun kasi favorite ballpen namin ng junior high. So, binalukot ko siya dito kasi it contains our photos. Like, ito yung first pull ko sa BTS meal na basta ito. Guess nyo na to. Si Jin to, guys. Siya yung first pull ko. And second ko si J-Hope. Hindi ko na napauwi si Yoongi. So, yeah. Dalawa lang yung binili ko for this. And bibigay ko na to sa kanya. Swerte mo naman, boy. Like, Jin pa, sakto, bias niya. So, this year, parang medyo nag-focus ako sa isang hobby na matagal ko na rin naman siyang ginagawa. So, here's my 2025 journal ecosystem. Gusto ko siyang i-share sa inyo kasi if you're watching my previous videos, makikita nyo ako sa coffee shops na nag-journal. So, here's my journal ecosystem. Nabili ko to sa Mr. DIY just because the color. Like, I don't like the text here, but the color. And, I don't know if ano siya type. But hardbound. This is my writing journal. Or like, more like a diary. Like, what happened on my day. Nandito siya. And what emotions that I felt on that day. It's my writing journal. And, gonna replace that with this journal na if I'm going out alone, I'll bring this. Or isa sa kanila. Or pwedeng both. Parang it's more like journal. You know, the usual journal where you learn something new. Lalagay mo siya dito, ganun. So, I don't know what kind of journal is that. And I just put some cute stickers. And this journal charm. This notebook. It's a Veco one. And it's dotted. And it's from Migi. My photo dump journal. Like, 2025, like what happened on my 2025, special days on my 2025 are here. Very special to for me because it's my first concert this year, which is the Cigarettes After Sex in Manila. Then I went to 17 right here, Maroon 5, Valentine's with Friends, Pop-Up Store, Keshi's concert, and last is this, my everything journal. As you can see, I just started it last month, November. If my favorite entry, which is my pinning ceremony. Ito pa yung flower na binigay ni Trisha sa akin. I plan to continue this journal till next year. Obviously, continuing the same journal notebook that I have kasi I have a lot of pages pa to journal. So, I love this. Especially this. I feel like this is my therapy notebook. Gusto mo pitch mango? Ayoko. Ayun, pitch mango.
Ito, Italy. Ito, Paris. Puro white na yan, JP. Wala. Mas malaki pa yan sa soft. Wala siguro nga. Ba't ang size pa niyan? Extra small. Hindi kasya ba sa'yo? Ay, t-shirt. Pinihirapan mo. Pwede si pera ko.